guys. Yeah, making a video here with my JVC turntable. This is Japan made, and my MARANTZ amplifier. And you guys heard the sound, very nice sound from JVC and MARANTZ. So guys, I'm filming this video here on this stereo system because I want to share with you guys, this amazing stereos, guys, that you can have without spending a lot of money. You can buy this in eBay. You can go to Facebook or OfferUp or flea market. You can get a good turntable, guys, good brand, and you'll pay low price for your stereo system, guys. But definitely, guys, MARANTZ, you can get it in eBay because they are expensive. They are a couple hundreds. They are amazing stereo, guys. MARANTZ is one of the high ends, and the sound quality, guys, is just amazing. And I'm really amazed, and I'm really like just wow, like MARANTZ can give you a really good sound when you have a really good speakers behind this stereo system. And MARANTZ absolutely will deliver a good sound for your stereo system, for your turntable and vinyl records. So this is definitely, guys, I recommended the sound and the stereos and the sound. If you are a beginner and you want to invest, a good stereos, guys, get a MARANTZ and a good turntable, so you can have a set like all MARANTZ, from turntable to receiver to speakers, so you can have a good set with all the same brand, MARANTZ. So guys, definitely I recommended MARANTZ. Most of the people knows about the sound quality of MARANTZ, and everybody loves MARANTZ because it's just an amazing stereos, guys. And always go for Japan made when you buy stereos from vinyl record player, receiver, amplifiers, speakers. Always look for Japanese made, guys, because it's just one of amazing stereos, guys. It lasts longer. The sound quality, guys, the what do you call this, the looks, it's just amazing, guys. Definitely recommended MARANTZ. And vintage, guys, it's amazing, as you can see here, from 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, even 80s. So the silver plate, faceplate, receiver or amplifier, guys, is just an amazing stereo. I would say stereos, but Sansui is good. Luxman, Lafayette, Aquaface, Pioneer, Techniques, Akai, Realistic. These are, from very top going down the price, from very expensive to lower price. That's why I name all those brands. But definitely, guys, MARANTZ, you can definitely like invest MARANTZ system, guys. You can always check it on YouTube. A lot of people make videos, and you can check stereo system from MARANTZ, Sansui, Luxman, Lafayette, Aquaphase, even Macintosh. Macintosh is the highest stereos. The price of Macintosh, guys, is just thousands and thousands of money. So guys, yeah, another video, guys, from the system, from my stereo system that these are some of my collections. So I feel like connecting, I want to connect the JVC turntable to my 1040 MARANTZ amplifier, and down here I have Audio Technica. I'm gonna be making a video with this one next time, but right now, guys, just making a video with JVC Japan-made turntable and a MARANTZ 1040. Yeah. So these are console amplifier, stereo amplifier. Very nice sound, guys. So you heard the sound, guys, and it's just amazing. So guys, that's it, and thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. So hit the subscribers, and for now I'll say bye-bye. Hey Rasta, say bye. Say bye-bye. For now, ciao ciao.